Hey gentlemen, what's going on? Welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show, and in today's video, I want to talk about beard growth, in particularly beard patterns. Now, a whiles back, I did a video about terminal length and how I don't really agree with it. That's why I'm all about letting your beard grow to the fullest potential. That being said, some beards and mustaches can only grow to a certain length. But to give you guys a great example, to give you guys a little motivation, I want to bring up my soul patch. Now, usually my soul patch only grows to a certain point. Until recently, I've been letting my soul patch grow, and this is where the beard growth and patterns come in. Now, as long as I can remember, I've always done a U-shaped trim on my soul patch, and this is because that's all I get out of my soul patch. Not only that, this side of my soul patch usually doesn't grow that strong. And that's where it comes in with beard growth patterns. Some beards, some mustaches might only achieve a certain length. But for me, I always try to say, give it more time and give it more growth. And that's why I bring up my soul patch. If I come a little bit closer, if you guys have noticed, I'll try to adjust my soul patch here. And can you guys see all this new length that's coming on the soul patch? I'm not used to it. I'm not used to letting my soul patch grow to epic proportions. And this is where my beard growth and patterns of my soul patch, I've been really hesitant to let it grow because I know it just can't be that strong until now. I've been on this big mustache kick for the past 6 months. I've been letting my mustache grow and I really haven't touched my soul patch. And this is where I want to present this to you. If you're having struggles with beard growth or patterns, let your beard grow an extra month or two. I'm a great example. As of growing my beard for 5 to 10 years now, there are certain things that are still surprising me, like my soul patch are growing into a nice length. And this is because the patterns that I usually go with don't grow out on my soul patch. But as of late, for you young guys, for you guys that are growing out your beard for the first time, these things are gonna happen where you think you can't grow it out, but you actually can. And it's just fine tuning things, right? Using the right products and the right tools. And to bring everything full circle, try new techniques, try new things like exfoliating, try using new products, try using new styles. I think this can really alleviate that beard growth and that beard pattern that we can get stuck on. So I thought I'd bring you guys a fun short little video about beard patterns and growth. So stick at it, try to find something that works for you. All right, you guys? Follow me on all that social media, like and subscribe. I love you guys like always, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!